How to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. What is up everybody? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to turn on the restricted mode on YouTube. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your YouTube application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can find the gear icon at the top right. Just head over to the settings menu, and under account you have several options like general, switch account, family center, and more. You just want to go to the general tab, and here you have different options to remind you to take a break, remind me when it's bedtime, choose the app appearance, app language, and then playback feeds. Then right at the bottom under location, you have restricted mode. So this helps you hide potentially immature videos, and no filter is 100% accurate. So just go ahead and toggle this on and you should be good to go. That's how you basically turn on the restricted mode on YouTube. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.